So now we are going to create one small web page by using the basic template which we learned. That is opening of HTML tag, and inside that we do have two primary tags. That is header tag, and as well as we have body tag. So inside the header tag, we will be mentioning some meta information, something like about the web page, and inside this body tag, this will be like a main tag in which we will be writing all the content. So body tag is actually containing all the visible content of your web page. So now I would like to mention something just like this: Hi, welcome to HTML. That's it. Hi, welcome to HTML. I would like to save the file now. Click save. Yeah, here you can give any name to our web page. Like here I am giving something like first page, but the extension of the file should be .html always, and ensure that this save as type to all files. And now wherever you wanted to save, first we need to create such a specific folder here, like in the D drive. HTML work is the folder where I wanted to create. So in the same way, you also can create a folder over there in your computer, and that particular directory you can save your files. The file name .html. Now click save. That's it. The page has been created now. Now I would like to open that. Go to the same file folder. Yeah, you're able to see in that HTML work folder, you're able to see this first page, and with an icon called Microsoft Edge, because in this computer Microsoft Edge is the default browser. Now I would like to open this in the browser, so you can double click it so that it will open in the Edge browser, or else you can go with right click option over there and open with. In that you can able to click any of the browser, and with that the page will be opening in the browser. So now I clicked Google Chrome. Now the page has been opened in the Google Chrome, where you can able to see the text here is hi, welcome to HTML. Whatever we have written inside the body tag, same has been represented in the browser as an output. Now I would like to open this in another browser now. That Edge I wanted to open, right? Directly double click on that, then that will be opening in the Edge browser, right? Same content is open. So in this way, we can able to create our first web page. So in order to do so, this template we need to follow. Open and close of HTML, which actually will be acting as a root tag. Inside that, header tag is one primary tag, and the next one is something like body tag. But if you observe here, this is actually called a tab. On that, you are able to see something like first page .html, and this is the address of your file in the D drive HTML work. In that, the file name is first page.html. This is the actual file name, and here this is actually called as title. But if you observe, the title is also exactly same as that of your file name. So now I don't want that. The title, I want something separate. So in order to add titles to the web page, we use a special tag. Inside the header tag, we use that, and that special tag name is title tag. So as we already discussed, header tag is something which will give some information about your web page. So in that, this title tag is something which gives some title to your web page. So here I am giving some simple title like HTML-learning. So this is a title for my web page. Now simply save this one. Go to any browser where it is open and see this. This is before refreshing your page. The file name is same as that of your title, but now I am refreshing the page. Now observe, this is like HTML-learning. Right? So this is like you are adding a title to your web page. So in this way, we can able to create first web page.